Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about six physical divisions of our Indian country. So in this topic, first two divisions we saw it, isn't it? So what are the first two divisions? First one is the northern mountains. Second one is the northern plains. So the plains areas are suitable for agriculture, and the northern mountains, so which is the famous mountain located in our country. So the Mount Himalayas, it's located in our country. So the mountains are fully covered with the snow throughout the years. So in these areas we can see the lot of flora and fauna. Flora means the plants. This word indicates plants, lot of plants, and the fauna means the animals. So we can see in the surrounding places of Himalayas. And today class we are going to see about, so the next one, the Great Indian Desert. So this is a picture of Indian desert. So the desert are fully covered with the sand. So the sand areas are called the sandy area are called desert. So in this desert we can see the camel. So the camel lives in desert. Okay, the Great Indian Desert, so it's located in the north and western part of our Indian country. And it's mainly which states is located. So it lies mainly the state of the Rajasthan. So in the Rajasthan state we can see this desert. So what is the desert name? So this desert, it's called Thar Desert. So it is known as Thar Desert. Spelling is THAR, Thar Desert. So this region is dry. So how deserts looks? So it looks very dry and hot also, because so in this place receives very little rainfall. The days are days are hot, and the nights are cold. So daytime we can feel only the hot climate, hot climate, and during the night time we can feel the cold climate. So due to the harsh climate, because there is no rain, without rain means we can't cultivate the plants. We can't cultivate crops. So that place is not suitable for agriculture. So without agriculture means there is no food, and there is no water, and the less people only so lives in that place. So less number of people only lives in this region. So this is a picture of this desert. Only the camels are called the sheep of this desert, because we can't walk on the desert place, because it's too hot, and the sandy area, isn't it? So at the time, so the peoples are likely to travel on the camels. So the camels are called the sheep of the desert, as they carry the people and their load. So the people have some bags. So the bags also carry the camels from one place to another place. So the camels are called sheep of this desert. Okay, next one, the Peninsula of Plateau. Next division, it's called the Peninsula of Plateau. The Peninsula of Plateau is divided into two parts. The first part, it's called the Deccan Plateau. It's located in the south, and the Central Indian Plateau, it's located in the north side. Totally two plateau. One is located in the south direction, the another one is located the north direction. And the peninsula means a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. So this is an example of peninsula, a piece of land. The center parts we can see the land. So remaining three parts fully surrounded by water. So this is called peninsula. And the plateau region slopes from so in this place we can see the plateau. So the plateau means it's look like a mountain, but the top portion it's look like a flat. So flat portion we can see on this plateau. So it's look like a mountain, but it's not a proper edge. And in the top portion we can see the flat. This is called a plateau. So the plateau region slopes from it start from the west to east direction, and the most of the rivers also like Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri also flows through this plateau. And hills ranges also located in this plateau side, especially the east side and the western sides. The hills ranges are located. The eastern side hills are called Eastern Ghats, and the west side the hill stations are called Western Ghats. The Satpura and Vindhya hill ranges are located in the north direction. So Satpura and Vindhya hills located in the north direction of this plateau, and so they separate the plateau from the northern plains. So these plateaus all helps to separate this plateau from the northern plains. Southern plateau. So southern plateau is known for its black soil. So in this side we can see the lot of black soils. So the black soil will help us to grow some plants. So like cotton also we can grow with the help of the black soil. So dear students, so learn this 2 divisions today.